This is how you work with a script. No, really, this is not how you work with a script. A script does make your video 10 times better, but only if you do it the right way. In this video, I will teach you the trick to look like a spontaneous and easy talker using a script and without memorizing a thing. I'm Elizabeth from Top of Mind Video Marketing. In a world full of invisible entrepreneurs, your own smartphone is enough to give yourself a stage right in front of the people you want to reach the most. So subscribe to this channel because I help you get your business visible for your future clients. Do you want to record your videos using a script, but do you keep failing because you forget what you wrote down? Well, there's a different way to use your script. So everything will be fine from now on because I'm teaching you the trick to look spontaneous in your videos and use a script too. If you want to make videos because you're an easier talker than writer, then you might be a bit disappointed that you have to flip open your laptop or grab pen and paper to write a script. Now all of a sudden it seems like work again and a hassle instead of just a spontaneous chat. But trust me, this way of working with a script will save you lots of time instead of costing time. So please do write a script. Just keep it simple. It's only a text. Give your video a good surprising start. Do not share more than one tip or insight in your video and end it with a nice invitation to your viewer. Once you've written the script, the fun starts. Then you're going to record the video. And you do not have to memorize your whole script. No one actually can. If you try to do it that way, you'd end up somewhere crying in take 36 and you wouldn't have a video finished at the end of the day. So you try a different approach. Choose to record your video in little chunks of 2 or 3 or 4 sentences. Then it becomes easy. I usually print out my script, then I choose a place to film, I put up the camera, I turn it on, and I start by reading out loud the first part of my script. And if I'm done, I put the script away and I say the thing I just rehearsed into the camera. You never say exactly what's in your script, but that's not a problem. This is not literature or poetry. This is just a script. So if you say approximately what's in there, that's okay. Only if it goes really wrong, like if you start saying total nonsense or start swearing, then you do it again and maybe again until you get it just about right. And then a new spot or a different shot and you film the next part of the video. You keep going on like this until you've done the whole script. And then you add all the little bits you filmed together in an editing app or some editing software on your computer. You cut out all the bits that went wrong, and what you've got then is a good video that's also interesting to watch. If you make your videos using a script, you show respect for the time of your viewers, and they appreciate that a lot, even by watching more of your videos. Do you still think it's better to record a video spontaneously, or will you try it my way? If you try it my way, you notice immediately it saves a lot of time, but also you get more enthusiastic reactions from your viewers. And if you've never actually written a script and you don't know how to, in this video I will tell you a great way to start your next video.